Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you exactly and step by step how you can create databases for your workspace on Notion. So let us guide you through this. It is actually super simple. So head over to Notion and log into your account and start by selecting your workspace in the top left corner. From that menu here, you may create also a new one if you like. So let me go with this workspace here for demonstration purposes. Here to the left, guys, you will see these three menus: favorites, private, and team spaces. So on the team spaces, you will see all of your pages under your current workspace. And here under private, guys, simply click into add new to add a new database to your portfolio here. So click on it. And after that, you may go, for example, with one of these customizable templates below, or click into more templates to go with various database types like tables and so on and so forth, task trackers, projects, calendars. Or you may simply go with a completely new empty database by selecting it here. Not pages, but databases. Databases are different from pages. So click into empty database here. And that's basically it. As you can see, your new database has been moved. So you may, for example, move it now to your team space here below and left click into it, for example, to fill it with items. As you can see, it resembles a table here, but if you click on this button here, you may convert that view into another view, like, for example, a chart or a calendar, a timeline, a feed, a form, and so on and so forth. But the current and default view is a table. Here you may, for example, give your database a name, add items here to the left, new page, and so on and so forth. So here you may add new pages. And here to the right, you may add a property by clicking on it and select, for example, properties like numbers, multi-select or multiple choice options, a date, URLs, a status, and so on and so forth. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. You may simply add pages to your database here, or right click into your database here to the left and customize it. Copy its link to share that database with your coworkers in your project, move it to the trash folder, move it to a different direction or location here, rename it, duplicate it, and so on and so forth. Okay, so that's how we create a new database on Notion. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.